If you suffer from this type of injury in the past, Medicine, Science, and Sports Exercise has stated in a recent study this will increase your chances of low back pain. We're going to talk about what that injury is on this next back and body video. Hi, Dr. Dave Perna here, your New York City chiropractor. We're talking about a recent study where they looked at some soldiers. What they found is a commonality between certain injuries and low back pain. 1 in 12 soldiers will receive acute low back pain during their time in the military. So they started looking at some causality of it. And what they found is if a soldier had a lower extremity injury, knee, foot, hip, they had a 70% increased chance in suffering from an episode of acute low back pain after the lower extremity injury. The authors concluded that the second order effect of the lower extremity injury does create a short-term risk for developing low back pain. This suggests that this information needs to be taken into consideration during the rehab process and planning. We at Back and Body do take a look at people who suffer from lower extremity injuries and if they're doing any sort of compensation during their recovery time that may increase their likelihood of low back pain. Likewise, if we have a person who recently comes in with low back pain, we take a look at if their mechanics for the lower extremities do anything which may compromise their low back. For further information such as this, please visit our websites. If you're in the New Jersey area, backandbodynj.com. If you're in New York, backandbodyny.com. Of course, you can always click like on our Facebook page where we post videos like this on a regular basis. We'll see you soon.